Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can quickly hide and unhide any disk partition in Windows 10. For example, if someone borrows your laptop and you have important data in a separate drive, you can hide that drive from this PC so no one can access it. In this example, I'll hide the data drive. E. To do this, search for disk management and open it. This will open the disk management window. You can also open it with a shortcut. Press Windows plus R, type diskmgmt.msc and click OK. Both ways will open the same tool. Here you will see all the drives on your computer. Choose the one you want to hide. I'll hide the data drive E. Right click on it, select Change Drive Letter and Paths, then click on Remove. If you have installed programs on this drive, they may stop working because the system won't find their files. If you only store data, it's safe to continue. Click Yes and the drive will be hidden. You can also do this with command prompt. Go to your Windows search bar and type command prompt and click on it. Now we need to go into disk partition mode. So type disk part and press enter. Now type list volume and press enter. You will see all drives. If a drive does not have a letter, it means it is hidden. You can remove or add letters here to hide or unhide a drive. When you want to unhide the drive again, go back to disk management. Right click the hidden partition, choose change drive letter and paths, click add. Assign the same letter as before, like E, so any software installed on that drive will work again. After refreshing this PC, the drive will reappear. The same can be done from command prompt by assigning a letter back to the target volume. And that's how you can easily hide and unhide disk partitions in Windows 10. For better security, you can also encrypt your drive with BitLocker and protect it with a password. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future tutorials. See you in the next video.